off the bank, head bouncing on the cloud. Gotta keep it blunt, too many black and math. I don't know about weed, but I'm about to wear her out. Enough, wet, to clear up a whole drought. Please tell me, in your life, have you met someone like this that love reward so much and do not give a f about not risk?
Sup? Though, so the video Bizarre Bud, right? The video he did before this was like sounds that would make you like a flight or fight response. This is 5 scary 3D, that's weird, sounds to make you go insane. Bruh, I really don't be, there's certain sounds that I just stay away from, or I try to stay away from. But he got the word 3D in there. So I don't know if I should have headphones in for a better experience, or if my speakers from my MacBook are decent. Because if I do it with my headphones, it's going to be harder for me to edit. But hopefully I can, I don't know. I don't know if I ever reacted to a video with headphones in. If I did, let me know. But this is weird. But I'm trying to get like the full experience. He said 3D, so to make you go insane. Jesus. So there's gonna be I'm gonna do some things in this video to let myself know as far as like how to edit and where to edit the videos. So 3, oh, sup? No, I don't know if I said that, but 3, 2, 1.
Holophonic sounds, or 3D sounds, are auditory illusions that trick your mind into believing that it's hearing something real and close when it's actually not. That being said, some of these sounds can be pretty creepy. Because they sound so real, it might be hard to tell what's real and what's not. So, here are 5 scary 3D sounds that will make you feel as though you're going nuts.
Is it really 3D?
Enjoy.
Is it really 3D?
Psychiatric hospital. The following audio is supposed to make you feel as though you were inside a mental asylum.
Jesus.
However, unlike most asylums, there's something about this one that doesn't seem right, or better put, sound right. I would definitely recommend putting on earphones and closing your eyes for this one, as it makes the experience a lot more unsettling.
Get the baby. Oh. God damn. Get me the hell out of here, please.
¿Dónde estás? Loco.
Oh my God.
No vengas, no vengas, no vengas.
Oh shit. I picked, oh God.
No, no, ya, no, por favor, no.
The hell is wrong with these people?
Listening to this makes you feel as though you were in a place filled with mentally insane people and perhaps demons too. Of course, this is merely an illusion, as holophonic sounds use both spatial and dynamic audio to make us feel as though what we're listening to is happening in real time right in front of us. The result of this is a multi-directional audio sphere in which the listener hears sounds coming from every direction, including sounds that are close or far off in the distance. Overall, this is one really creepy holophonic audio. In the dark. Perhaps one of the most frightening situations to be in has to be being alone in the dark and hearing blood-curdling sounds coming out of nowhere.
What I'm saying.
Although it's a situation we would never want to be in, the following audio allows us to vicariously experience this.
I should have kept my earphones out. It really feels like somebody is like in my head, bruh. Yo, I feel crazy, let's go.
Although scary, it's pretty neat how this auditory effect allows us to imagine ourselves to be in a situation like this.
That's not neat.
This is possible as holophonic sounds are known for activating most of our senses besides our auditory perception. It is for this reason that some people can even smell the scent of a wet dog after hearing the sound of one getting a bath.
What?
With that said, it would be interesting to see if you guys smelled anything while hearing this. Perhaps you guys smelled something faint, like the scent of a corpse, or maybe some other morbid thing.
I smell somebody.
Let me know in the comments
up.
below if you guys smelled anything.
Yeah, I smelled somebody getting clocked.
Voices.
Up.
The following audio isn't a work of fiction like the previous sounds, but rather something commonly experienced by those with a mental disorder known as schizophrenia.
Oh, damn.
Common symptoms of schizophrenia include disordered thinking, delusions, and hallucinations. This last one is pretty scary, as more often than not, schizophrenics hear and see things that are quite disturbing. The following audio is meant to simulate what a schizophrenic would hear and even see during an hallucination.
Here we go. Oh, well, wow.
Worse.
Waking up now.
Ah, the phone woke you up. Don't answer, they'll know.
They know who you are.
Why are you so worthless? Stupid. So stupid. I hate you.
Why are you going to pick up the phone? Stupid. Worthless stupid.
They'll know. Coming for you.
Something wrong.
They'll know.
Do it, stupid. Too hot. Fire.
Don't drink. Poison, stupid. You are so dumb.
Don't drink that coffee.
Coming to get you.
Aside from being unsettling, it allows the viewer to experience what a schizophrenic goes through during such episodes. So aside from spooking us, it allows us to have empathy for those with this condition. Doubtless, this holophonic audio is good at simulating something that many of us will most likely never experience in our own life.
I don't got empathy for them. Them bitches are crazy.
Apocalypse. There are many ways in which the world can end. From a man-made disaster to being struck by an asteroid, anything is possible. But a threat that often has us on the edge of our seats is the fear of being struck by a missile. Or better put, the idea of there being a nuclear apocalypse. That being said, the following audio will give you an idea of what you might experience during a nuclear threat.
Music's most popular, talented personalities. Ladies and gentlemen, John Denver, right here.
Look at him. Look at him. You see him? They just looking at the shit. Like they looking at the bombs and the missiles. I don't even want to imagine.
Boston, Denver, Jackson, Richmond, Sacramento, Salem, Salt Lake City, Santa Fe, Springfield, Trenton.
Can you imagine walking outside your house and you just see a missile just in the sky, just boom. Oh my God. Why am I looking out my window?
It sounds like these that put us on edge and even prepare us for something that may come in the future. The chances of this ever happening seem pretty slim, but who am I to say it won't happen for sure? If it does, at least you got to experience this way before anyone else did. Screaming. The following audio is by far the scariest, as it includes a slight jump scare. That shouldn't deter you from listening to it, for the sounds that it has are pretty spooky. Now, if you're feeling brave, you can ante up the experience by listening to this with the lights off. I can assure you that listening to this in a really dark room will have you thinking that there's someone else inside.
Nah, I'm good, nah. I'm gonna keep the lights on. I hear it in the left ear. Okay, suppose. Oh my God! What the hell?
These are sounds we hope to only hear through our headphones. Hearing these sounds without them would definitely have us spooked and have us thinking we're going insane.
Enough of that. Enough of that. That was. I don't know if I'm ever gonna do something like that again. Like put in your earphones for a better experience type of videos. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Oh Jesus. As far as like this, what do you say? The schizophrenic people. You go ahead. Y'all stay the hell away from me, because if that's really how they look at the world and how they be like. People, it's like people are in their heads. That shit is crazy. Oh my God, I can't even. Like, do people really be having like voices in their heads? That's, oh my God. How are you able to think like that with different voices in your head? Like that shit is crazy. What? Oh God. And then with the number 5, with the insane alarmic thing. I don't know, like a mental hospital. With like number 5 with the all them voices and the baby hearing, like you hear the baby in the distance. That's crazy too. Like, yeah, these are sounds and certain. These are certain sound effects and like certain voices and certain things I would never want to hear ever again. But that schizophrenic thing like that, I know that's real, but how real is it that they see the world like that, or they see it a lot differently than say someone that's not schizophrenic. And do they really have voices in their heads? Because if they have voices in their heads, like, that can't be healthy. Like, oh my, like, if you have voices in your head and you see the world differently, a lot differently than what someone that's not schizophrenic is, how are you able to, like, think or do anything for that matter? Like, that's crazy. Jesus. But this video definitely had me, like, on the edge of my bed. No pun intended, because I'm on the edge of my bed. But how does schizophrenia even work? Like, is that something you're born with? Or, like, can you get it? Is it a disease? I don't really know too much about it. But if somebody can enlighten me and tell me, like, how schizophrenic works, yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be really nice. But I'm really creeped out, and he really missed me with that, with number 1 about cutting the lights off. Nope, I'm good. Keep it cool, keep it classy, and I love you. Stay happy, my family.